professional living space? What are you talking about?
And who is that?
Pay no attention to my husband behind the corner.
My name is Ryan Keely. I am an actress, model, podcaster, producer, and host, and I'm known for doing some adult things. You could say that I have big passions about interior design. You may know me as America's favorite stepmom, but I'm really America's DIY daddy.
What's been going on in your space exactly?
What do you mean, Rock?
I mean, it's a little different than the last time I was here.
I know what this looks like. This is chaos. It's mostly a studio, but it's also my office and my living and entertaining space. It has reverted to a production trash fire.
I do so much in this small space, and sometimes it's a living room, sometimes it's a workspace, sometimes it's a conference room. So Rock Zehler is going to help me maximize my space for maximum calm and maximum productivity. And it needs to be flexible, just like I am. I'm able to put my legs behind my ears. My living room needs to do that metaphorically.
We always had to contend with it being a multi-purpose space, and that's totally fine. What I'm most nervous about for this project is that Ryan still needs to be able to shoot here all the time, and it's still her home.
Don't love
I
what's
also
happened
really
with
love the nail. Yeah.
That was command strips lied to me, and they sabotaged me on what ended up being one of the most difficult shoot days of my life. That was a tough day, and the wall looks really janky.
And now there's nails.
And now there's nails. The ceiling fixtures still kind of suck. We're gonna take it to the limit.
I think it's time. I think we're ready to take this to a place where your interior design really reflects the quality of the home that you live in.
I know that I like classic Hollywood set design, which works because my home is also my set. There's something about living in Hollywood that makes me love a little bit of over-the-top glamour, but I don't like that clean, hard-edged glam. I like a quirky, traditional glam.
I don't want to be cheesy glam though. Like,
Who said that was gonna happen?
I'm just, you know.
What's cheesy glam?
Z Gallery. I don't need to do what their stock price does it for them. I think the big issue is, like, obviously this area needs to be cleaned up and rejudged. Like, I think that this can just be prettier and look more cinematic because not only are we in Hollywood, baby, I film in here multiple days a week. Like, it should look cinematic, but it's not a moment. And it does work as a shooting studio for sure. I mean, we've got the seamless up here. I don't think I love having the seamless as a replacement for drapery on the glass doors.
Would you be open to discussing a redesign?
What makes me very nervous about this project is that it has to happen, but it has to happen fast.
The last time that we did Ryan's space was a lot of chaos for her in her work and personal space.
I can only take so much time away from those projects to make this space work better for me.
One of the things that I was surprised about was how much to your own chagrin that you found out you were a lot more traditional than you thought you were.
Everyone thinks I'm a Samantha, but I'm actually a Charlotte.
Yeah, that's really cute.
If we're gonna do this, we're gonna have to sell some stuff.
Yeah.
Because we're gonna need to create space, and we're gonna have to decide what stays, what goes, what makes sense for an overall vision.
Okay. Should we walk around and talk through some pieces?
Yes. There's some vacuuming I need to get done over there.
Oh, okay.
Don't steal my joy. Okay. So we can discuss stuff. The first time we did this space, we were very constrained on working with the stuff that I had and really trying to take such a chaotic space and to create it just more cohesive in general.
Right.
And this lamp was part of that. So this lamp can go.
Great.
Everything that we Facebook Marketplace, that'll give me the budget to fix the ceiling.
Great.
because these can lights are awful, and I tried to fix them, and I don't like the fix. And this does not say glam.
What about the chair you are sitting on now?
Yes, and the bookcase. Well, I'm building a costume because we're going to be doing a music video. I'm going to glue onto the Zentai bodysuit all of these little dragons, so it looks like it's a mama dragon nursing. See?
That was more fun.
I'm not afraid to get blasted in the face!
I just got a whole black bamboo shelving unit. It needs to go somewhere. I've got access to some really cool vintage rugs that I would love to see in a space like this. And that allows us to build a new redesign process. So it's Hollywood Babylon, baby.
Hollywood Babylon. Bamboo Babylon.
Bamboo Babylon.
Bamboozle.
I would like my place to be flexible enough that I can not just work here, but I can also play here. And that's something that I've really been missing in my life.